I've been talking about some key targets for the total market cap of crypto and for PEPE, and both of these levels are being hit exactly as I've been discussing lately. In this video, I want to look at PEPE as some people believe that we're on the brink of a mega crypto crash. Well, I believe that we are in the middle of a potential bounce in the crypto market, which, yes, does imply a little bit more potential downside before one of the biggest bull markets in history. Let's discuss PEPE coin. I've got a warning for some PEPE coin holders out there you're going to stick around to the end to look at with me. And let's talk about some key levels ahead. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, and let us get into this. And just to start this thing off, Bitcoin dominance, as we've been discussing so much lately, has rejected off 59% and looks like it's coming down. The most shocking part about that is, of course, that the price of Bitcoin has been coming down. And typically when Bitcoin price comes down, we see altcoins hurt against Bitcoin's dominance in the market. But here's PEPE coin holding very strong in this range right here. If you look over the last few days, really just these are daily candles. This is the last 10 days or so. Look at the last 10 days or so for Bitcoin. If I just go right here, you'll see the last 10 days or so for Bitcoin has really been a lot of downside. A lot of downside. One big rejuvenation, a rejection off 100K, and then more downside. Now today we're getting a bounce, and so is PEPE coin. Altcoins are actually holding very strong versus Bitcoin, which is why Bitcoin dominance is coming down. So what does it mean for PEPE coin? Well, right now we're in a very beautiful range. Now, in my last PEPE video that I did, I was talking about how you're going to watch at the 4019 level for a rejection for PEPE, and then potentially along from support at this 4017 level. Both of these areas were hit. You easily, let's look at the 4-hourly candles, my friends. You could have had a beautiful short opportunity here and a beautiful long opportunity here. If you want to trade PEPE coin for yourself, you can sign up for Blowfin, a $5,000 deposit bonus when you sign up using our link. You can trade PEPE. You could trade your favorite memes on here. If you want to trade Bitcoin, you can do that too. They've got a lot of your favorite coins, and there's 10% discounts on trading fees available for you guys right now if you want to sign up. I think we're coming into the best part of this bull market. We're going to have some tremendous upside. But what you're going to want to be careful of, and here's my warning for PEPE investors. PEPE is one of the top coins. You see this ad here for Uniswap. If you look over the last 24 hours at some of the top gainers, let's see what some of the top gainers are right now. And PEPE doesn't look like it's up there, but it is in the top 15 or top 20. It's the 20th biggest moving gainer in the top 100 right now. It's ranked number 20 in terms of biggest moves today. Bitcoin's getting a bounce. PEPE's coming up a little bit today. It's at a $7.7 billion market cap. Here's my warning for PEPE investors. When you go to Google and you search PEPE coin news, I continuously see this time and time again, and maybe you guys are curious about this. Here's an article, 2 articles. I clicked into this one. It says PEPE's coin 1,300% climb in 2024 was impressive, but 2025 will be all about this feature-rich coin. A lot of articles and some YouTubers out there like to put out content that's saying like, this is the next PEPE, this is the next PEPE, this is the next. We've done a video or two like that as well. You're always looking for the next PEPE, I get that. But there's some articles out there that it seems like they're trying to convince people to sell their PEPE to go chase something else. And the warning I have is this. If you've made money on PEPE and you like to trade PEPE, great, wonderful. Should you take profits on PEPE on the way up? Absolutely. If you were lucky enough to be a part of this 1,300% gain, then you should have taken some profits. And I know that there's a lot of people that are in profit-taking mode right now. That's why you saw PEPE, if you're looking at PEPE versus the dollar, from its highs, PEPE coin right now is down. It came down 49%. Right now, it's currently down 35%. It's on a 35% discount. The warning I have here is, you see an article, people saying this is going to be better than PEPE. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but don't sell your PEPE for the next promised PEPE. Now, if you want to dabble with other coins and you want to experiment with other cryptocurrencies, that's fine. But if you're panic selling your PEPE because you think you're buying something that's bigger and better than PEPE, that's not good strategic maneuvering, in my personal opinion, when it comes to crypto. Now, I'm not telling you not to sell your PEPE for something else, but I'm telling you not to fall for these articles and these traps almost of, this is the next, the fact of the matter is this: there are people that are paid to talk about things in crypto. And if they're not telling you that it's a sponsored piece of content, then you should be very careful, okay? We do sponsored content from time to time. This is not a sponsored video. I will always give you guys an alert if we do a sponsored video. But some of these articles do sponsored content without telling you that it's sponsored content, or if it is, that it's in very small fine print. If I ever do sponsored content, we're saying this video is sponsored by so-and-so, and then we'll talk about it. The warning is, guys, PEPE is on a discount. And if you are giving up on PEPE at these levels, you know what the whales are doing? They're accumulating at these levels. If I just zoom out and I get rid of all these TNAs and I just show you what the chart looks like, these sell-offs are profit-taking from whales designed to make retail panic sell. And the whales now are reaccumulating here. We're getting a sort of reversal. Looking at Dogecoin versus Bitcoin, I love this chart just as a good example. Dogecoin versus Bitcoin in the past had resistance. Then in 2021, it had a breakout, a bullish retest, and then a full-fledged bull market. And then it got into a new zone versus Bitcoin. It had a rejection. Now it's having a breakout. I'm looking for a bullish retest here for Doge. I think Doge is very important to look at when it comes to PEPE, because if Dogecoin starts ripping again, I think that we're going to have total market cap exploding. I think we're going to have Bitcoin still going up, but Bitcoin dominance coming down. And I think we're going to have PEPE coin following a very similar pattern to what Dogecoin is about to do. I think PEPE is going possibly to a $100 billion market cap. That is not a fact. That is not financial advice. I think it's very possible for that to happen. And so I'm on the lookout for it, guys. PEPE versus Bitcoin also in a very tight range right here. If you're looking for trades, these are things to look at. Rejection, support. Resistance, support. If you look at PEPE versus the dollar, I think it's much more clear. Let's go back down to the 4-hourly candle. Let's pull back the TA. Let's auto fit the data to the screen. Here, I'd be looking for a potential short off of PEPE off of the 4019 level. Is that a guarantee that that's going to be an effective short? Is there a chance that that PEPE coin keeps going up? Absolutely. You have to do your own research. You have to set your stop losses as well. You have to be careful. Don't overuse leverage. But here's a good short that could potentially be coming up. Very simple. And then back down to bounce, potentially at the 40175, 176 range, possibly a little higher, 177. It's kind of what I'm looking at, guys. Now, if you again want to trade this for yourself, you can sign up for Blowfin using our link. Be careful when it comes to trading, guys. Here's the lesson. If you're bullish on PEPE, I don't think anything's changed for PEPE besides really a big, beautiful discount. If you were bullish on PEPE up here, well, today, congratulations, guys. You have, from the peak, a 34% discount to reaccumulate more before our total market cap gets a beautiful bounce off $3 trillion, which is the previous peak from 2021, and a massive move to the upside, possibly getting to a $10 trillion market cap, which I think is possible in this bull market. I'm bullish on PEPE, I'm bullish on crypto, and I think we got a massive move coming soon. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let me know in the comments down below. Big warning for you guys as well. There's a chance that Bitcoin comes a little bit lower, which means PEPE could come lower, possibly to the bottom of that range, possibly breaking out below that range we just looked at. So you have to be careful, guys. There are nice trades on PEPE in the meantime that I wanted to share with you guys in this video, but overall, I think PEPE still has a 10x left in it for this bull market. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. 2 videos right here if you want to check them out. DCA, HODL. See you next time, y'all. Peace.